Hello, I am Sam. 10 months ago, I moved to the USA with my family. Like most of the new immigrants, I struggled to keep up with the new cultural environment. For me, the biggest challenge was finding a job to settle well. My unemployed situation made it difficult for us to pass through each day. My wife was doing multiple jobs to make ends meet. But I was determined to search and get a good job. One day, while surfing the web, I saw a video of Transfotech Academy. I was impressed with their unique 6-step process. It's an innovative learning process that guides and prepares students for the practical world of IT. That ensured a 100% job placement service after the course. I only had to do one thing: to believe in myself. Take the first step of grabbing the opportunity. So I enrolled in Transfotech Academy. In just 6 months, I learned theoretical and practical knowledge about QA engineering, acquired job interview hacks, and finally received my dream job. Now it's your turn. Believe in yourself. Make the first move of signing up. Leave the rest to Transfotech Academy, as it connects you to the best IT career path for you.